Good morning from Shanghai. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Am we tired? Nope. Is one of us grumpy? Is the other one still maybe a little bit inebriated from last night? Right, we're going to head to the airport now and we're going to fly to Calibo. So, see you shortly. Right, we've made it back to our old haunting spot, the Red Coconut Hotel on Boracay. So it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we've just got here, dropped the bags off. They've given us a ground floor room this time, so we're going to go out, get the free drink they've given us and go and enjoy some beach time. After all the running around in Shanghai yesterday, made it down onto the beach for one of these, a Red Horse, and you couldn't have picked a better time to come down. The sunsets in Boracay are just the best of it all, aren't they? It's just fantastic. Take a look at this. Is that just the best sunset in the world? we've just been back to Coco Mongo's, haven't we?
Yeah.
2 years ago when we were here, we did the 15 shot challenge to get a point on the bar on the wall for England. Well, that was our excuse for drinking 15 shots anyway. Well, not only do you get a Poxy t-shirt, but you also get a brass plaque put on the wall with your name on. So we've just been there trying to find our name, being between 1,000 plaques all over the wall, but no, we couldn't find it. So we are still on there somewhere. It's just we couldn't find it. Ah, well. Right, down to Red Pirates we go then, and a few riddles this should come.
Still you're coming back, you're drowning back, you're coming back for more. So put me on a way, show me the sign, take it to the limit one more time. Take it to the limit, take it to the limit, take it to the limit one more time.
Morning, day 2 in Boracay. Well, I say good morning, it's actually afternoon. We had a bit of a late night last night. We didn't get into about 4:30. So the alarm went off for breakfast this morning, which we swiftly dismissed and went back to sleep. So we're just sitting down to have breakfast now at 12:30 and tucking into a seafood pizza. We're gonna have a lazy day today, probably spend some time on the beach, dip in the pool, see how the day pans out.
Changing right before your eyes.
2 o'clock in the morning, we've just left Red Pirates Bar. We're walking along the seafront, hopefully not for the last time. It is our last time this holiday, but because of all this going on with the demolition, closure of the island, she's been told she's got to lock the bar down. That won't happen. We know it won't happen. There'll be a way around it. There's a lot of small properties on the island like that that have been told they need to close down while the bigger corporations can do what they please. I just wanted to say my piece on that. On to tomorrow. We're up in the morning and off
to El Nido.
El Nido. So new adventure for us. We haven't been there before, so we've heard different stories. I think it's going to be really good. It will be. Whatever. We'll make the most of it. Whatever. So see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Morning. Day 3 in Boracay. Our final half a day we've got on the island. It's around about 10 o'clock now. We've got a couple of hours. Come 12 o'clock we've been picked up, take us back to the airport where we're flying across to El Nido. So that should be good. We're just going to have a walk up towards Willie's Rock now, right on the corner. Enjoy the last couple of hours. And last bit of sunshine on the island. Just walking along the front, and it's surprising how many places are actually already closing down for demolition. The government aren't certainly messing around when they say we're going to close the island for 6 months. I thought they might be closing it down, and 6 months later they'd still be sat on their arse talking about doing stuff. But a lot of these places, I think it's 6 meters distance away from high tide you need to be, and they've obviously come and measured them and served notices on places, and they mean business. These places are going to be knocked down. It's famous places as well, like Jonah's Fruit Shack there, that's been there years, gone. So they mean business.